Hi everyone, it's me, Software.
So, what is a software? Software is a collection of instructions that enable the user to interact with a computer, its hardware, or perform tasks. So, without a software, our computers would be useless. System software. Software used to manage the hardware. It's a multitasking environment. It opens many tasks at once, such as Word and Skype. Application software. Application software is a layer for the user. It provides services for the user himself. And now for the types of application software. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, plans the financial resources of a company. SCM, Supply Chain Management. It collaborates between ERP and CRM. CRM, Customer Relationship Management, anything related to marketing of a company. And now for the databases. A database is a collection of organized data. Database management system, a system that allows the user to update the information on the database, such as Excel. In databases, two users cannot execute the same variable at the same time, so the solution is locking. So when one user enters the database and starts executing, the database locks until this user finishes. One of the examples is the railway example that we took in class. Examples of databases: Access, Oracle, and IBM. A client and a server. Client single user, server multi-user. They're both multitasking. And the client is single processor while the server it depends. And of course, we all know the multiprocessors and the multiprocessors. And again, we'll say it, multiprocessors more than one task operated by software, multiprocessors more than one CPU. And for multiprocessors, there are two types, one queue for all CPUs and one queue for each CPU. The old method was one queue for each CPU. Multi-user versus single user. Any microcomputer is a single-user operating system. However, a single user is a multitasking operating system. And now we have an example. If we have 100 employees in a company, for the client, we will get an operating system that is single-user, multitasking, and single-processor. Types of real-time. An example for the soft real-time is when you're studying for an exam and opening Word and YouTube at the same time, so we can use round robin then. But with the hard real-time, the operating system will assign the task according to its priority, using priority technique, so can't use robin. As I mentioned before, in the soft real-time, round robin is an operating system algorithm. It's a technique used to manage more than one processor, dividing time equally. And for big data, tools that transfer all data of the world, Internet of Things such as sensors, Apple Watch, GPS. So the GPS, the Global Positioning System, 32 satellites around the world sending the latitude and longitude setting where you are. The GIS, the Geographical Information System, a computerized map, so it's just about where you are according to a map. And the Navigator, it's the GIS and GPS together. So another concept is cloud computing. So nowadays we've heard a lot about the cloud. So what is a cloud? Clients rent space on the cloud and upload their documents online, so they have a backup. And finally, the last two concepts of software, virtual office and virtual organization. Recently, there is an uprising trend towards these. A virtual office is a place where employees meet only for urgent meetings, and a virtual organization is where employees meet through phone calls, Skype, email.
Created using Powtoon.